Good morning, everybody.
Excuse me. Is this the train to Northwood?
No, ma'am. This train actually comes from Northwood. Do you want to go there?
Yes.
It's the train on the other side of the platform. Oh, and I see that the train is delayed for 10 minutes.
What? Are you serious? Why?
I don't know, ma'am. It can be for various reasons.
Well, can you find out the reason? And quick, please. I don't have a lot of time.
But your train is delayed? You can look up the reason in the travel app. I actually have to ride this train now.
I want you to find the reason. I need to know the reason so I can be angry about it.
Wojak, we need to leave right now. Every second counts in this business. 30 seconds too late and we will have angry Karens attacking us.
Excuse me?
Sorry, honey. We really need to go now.
Who do you think you are?
Damn it, I wanted to ask them if this is the train to Northwood. Do you know?
Yes, this is Northwood. You need to get in because the doors are closing.
Morning, everybody. Good morning. Hello. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Hello?
What?
Could you remove your feet from the seat? It is not allowed.
I don't care.
It's not very fresh towards your fellow passengers.
Okay.
You want me to give you a fine?
Alright, jeez.
Hello, everybody. May I see your train ticket? Thank you. All right. All good. Excuse me, sir. This ticket is 3 years old.
What?
This train ticket is 3 years old. It's not valid.
You no understand?
This ticket is invalid.
Ticket not good?
No. You'll have to leave at the next stop.
You no understand ticket?
You need to leave. Dude. I'm calling the police.
Unbelievable. Today's youth is messed up. Back in my days people had respect for a train conductor. Why don't you come and join me in the cab for a bit to relax?
All right.
Green, green, double yellow coming up. All right. Ease it back. Hold that. Alright, good. So Wojak, how is life? You're enjoying the profession?
It's okay, apart from the antisocial passengers.
I know, right. Crazy times. They all think you control the schedules and delays, while we are only two silly train drivers.
Yeah. The signal turned red. Did you notice?
Really?
That was really close.
Don't worry, kid. I've experienced countless spads in my life.
Countless what?
Spads. Signal past a danger. When a train passes a stop signal without authority.
Oh, like we just did. Did you not see the signal?
Of course I did. In the 90s we did 12-hour working days. It was an amazing time and everybody worked their asses off. I was like a rock star back then. Many girls wanted to come and take a look inside the cab.
Sounds nice.
Oh, excuse me, Wojak, we're about to reach the platform. I need to focus. Alright. Brake. Easy. Easy. Yeah. Hold that. Look, Wojak, this might be the most important few moments of the job. Getting this unit to stop perfectly.
Okay.
I've been doing it for 40 years. I think I've stopped millions of trains. I don't want to brag too much, but do you see that blue sign with the number 8 at the platform?
Yes.
That's the stop mark. Now watch me stop this cab exactly at that sign, not a millimeter off. I really need a smoke.
Oh my god, that's so disgusting.
The fuck you're all looking at?
Sir, can you do something about it?
Guys, I think it's time to leave the train. And please clean up this mess. You're misbehaving.
Stop crying, dude. Don't ruin our night.
You're misbehaving and causing problems. I don't want you to. Guys, can you please put this music down? Think about others.
Shut up, dude, you're not the police.
I literally feel like a policeman with all these people. Alright guys, show me your tickets please.
No. Now go away before we jump you.
I'm not getting paid enough for this. Tickets guys.
I run Adam. Don't let them catch you.
My god, why are night trains so horrible? This work is impossible. Everybody treats me like total shit.
Wow, are you a train conductor?
Hello, yes I am.
Wow, that's so cool. Is it hard to drive a train?
It depends.
Mom, I want to be a train driver later. I want to have my own train.
Of course, honey. Maybe one day you will become just like this man.
One day you will be just like me, and you'll regret it.
My little boy loves trains. He always talks about them. He thinks people like you are like Superman.
That's nice to hear, Mom. Nice to meet you, kid.
What is it like to be a train driver?
What is it like to be a train driver? Well kid, driving a train is really cool. It is a very important and big job. Actually, if you want.
Wojak, someone pull the emergency brake.
Yeah!